Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss exercise 3G. These are word problems. Today this word problem you have to do in your fair copy. Today I am discussing only 1, 2 and 3. Now first let's read the questions. First one, a school has 643 boys and 295 girls. How many students study in the school? Question number 1. Then question number 2. Ravi bought textbooks for rupees 768 and notebooks for rupees 185. How much money did he spend in all? Question number 3. A gardener planted 264 marigolds, 425 roses and 240 sunflowers. How many flower plants did he plant in all? Now let's see the solution I made for you. Exercise 3G. Do in your notebook. Word problems. Question number 1. A school has 643 boys and 295 girls. How many students study in the school? Now here total number of students you have to find out. इसका मतलब है एक स्कूल में 643 बॉयज़ था और 295 गर्ल्स था. फिर टोटल स्टूडेंट्स दैट मीन्स बॉयज़ एंड ऑल्सो गर्ल्स टुगेदर एक ही साथ कितना है, तो हम लोग को इसको जोड़ के फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो फर्स्ट नाउ हियर यू हैव टू राइट द स्टोरीज दैट मीन्स स्टेप्स यू हैव टू राइट. फर्स्ट यू विल राइट solution, then number of boys. Next step, number of girls. Then you have to find out that therefore total number of students is equal to. इसका मतलब आपको टोटल नंबर कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है. पहले नंबर ऑफ बॉयज प्लस नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. ओके, दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इज इक्वल टू 643 plus number of girls is equal to 295. These both number we will add. So first these both the numbers are with 3 digits. So we are going to arrange the number at its place, that is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. This process you must do because every question the number of digits will not be equal. So different, when you get different number of digit, to avoid confusion, first you have to name the places, that is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place also. Now let's add. First with the process is we are adding from right to left, that means ones to 100. When you added ones place addends 5 and 3, you are getting the sum 8. Tens place 9 and 4, then you are getting 13 and 1 carry 6 plus 2 8 plus carry 9. Your answer is 938. Please do this question in your copy, that is your notebook, fair work. Question number 2. Ravi bought textbooks for rupees 768 and notebooks for rupees 185. How much money did he spend in all? इसका मतलब है रवि टेक्स्ट बुक रुपीस 768 को लाए थे और नोटबुक 185 का, और दोनों मिला के वो कितना पैसा शॉप में दिया है हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है. सॉल्यूशन हियर स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप यू आर गोइंग टू राइट कॉस्ट ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक, दैट इज रुपीज 768. कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक्स रुपीज 185. सो दैट therefore the amount he spent, this is not spelling mistake. Here you see in question it is SPEND. That means did plus did plus present tense. Okay, present. Did plus present form of the verb. When it came to the answer, it became past tense. Spent, S-P-E-N-T, is past form of the verb. Okay, here this is not mistake. Spent, did plus spent became did plus spent became S-P-E-N-T, spent. Okay, this is grammar. Now here the amount he spent in all, that means is equal to cost of textbook plus cost of notebooks. Then we write down the amount, rupees 768 plus rupees 185. So now let's arrange the number at place, ones place, tens place and 100 place, because both the number have got same number of digit, that is 3 digits, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So here 8 plus 5, you are getting 13. 3 I have written here. 1 is carry, I have given for tens place. Then 8 plus 6 plus 5. 8 plus 6, you are getting 14 plus 1. You are getting 15. 5 I have given here. And next 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1 carry, 9. So your answer is, you are getting as rupees 953. 953. This is the symbol of Indian rupees. This is the symbol of Indian rupees. Instead of that, we can write RS also. This is also correct. But if we do this, this is the symbol. As we write plus, symbol for addition, minus is symbol for subtraction. The same way, this letter is Hindi letter Ra and 2 hash. That is called symbol of rupees. Okay. See, 953 rupees he spent in all for the books and notebooks. Okay. Next question. A gardener planted 264 marigolds, 425 roses and 240 sunflowers. How many flower plants did he plant in all? So here the solution, that means gardener marigold भी और roses और sunflower, उसका नंबर भी दिया गया है, अपने गार्डन में प्लांट किया है दिस ऑल द फ्लावर प्लांट्स, और टोटल मिला के कितना फ्लावर प्लांट्स है आपको प्लांट डिड ही plants in all. Now first step you have to write solution. Number of marigolds 264, number of roses 425, number of sunflowers 240. Therefore the total number of flower plants planted. Okay, here you see I have given ed also. Plant is the present form of the verb. Present. Here this plant is given as verb. Okay, this is verb here. Verb, oh karne wala kaam. Here plant comes as noun also. When it give for the name, it is noun also, but here in this sentence plant is a verb. Flower plants did he plant. Now here when it comes, it past form. This is past tense. So I have given it is planted. Okay, don't think that ma'am has did wrong here. So we have to find out the total number of flower plants planted. That means number of marigold plus number of roses plus number of sunflowers is equal to the number we are writing down 264 plus 425 plus 240. All the three numbers are with 3 digits. Okay, now let's arrange the number according to the places. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12 and 2, 1 goes to hundreds place. Then we are adding here 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. The answer you are getting as 929 plants. Okay, 929 plants. Now let's continue with our addition tables 6 to 10. Last class I had introduced 1 to 5. This addition table will help you for addition and also subtraction. Now please learn it. This is, you have plenty of time at home. This will make you reduce your time for addition and also subtraction. Okay, here let's see. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 6, 11. 6 plus 6, 12. 7 plus 6, 13. 8 plus 6, 14. 9 plus 6, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 7, 10. 4 plus 7, 11. 5 plus 7, 12. 6 plus 7, 13. 7 plus 7, 14. 8 plus 7, 15. 9 plus 7, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 8, 10. 3 plus 8, 11. 4 plus 8, 12. 5 plus 8, 13. 6 plus 8, 14. 7 plus 8, 15. 8 plus 8, 16. 9 plus 8, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 9, 10. 2 plus 9, 11. 3 plus 9, 12. 4 plus 9, 13. 5 plus 9, 14. 6 plus 9, 15. 7 plus 9, 16. 8 plus 9, 17. 9 plus 9, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. 1 plus 10, 11. 2 plus 10, 12. 3 plus 10, 13. 4 plus 10, 14. 5 plus 10, 15. 6 plus 10, 16. 7 plus 10, 17. 8 plus 10, 18. 9 plus 10, 19. 10 plus 10, 20. Thank you. Have a nice day.